Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rofeo Nazaripasha, and I'm from English Department, University of Brawijaya, and I am from the class of Seminar on English Language Teaching Class B. Today, I will perform and present my work of non-research paper. The title of the paper is Collaborative Learning for EFL Students to Improve Writing Ability. Learning English seems to be complex, as the English language needs a skill that is writing. Writing is a skill that requires composing the words into sentences, then into paragraphs to create the cohesion and coherence of a writing script. Besides cohesion and coherence of writing, grammar and vocabulary are the requirements to have a good writing that results in a clear purpose. The requirement of good writing can be intimidating for EFL students to master the writing skill. Therefore, the EFL students are struggling to make conclusion and cohesive writing. Also, choosing vocabulary and constructing grammar can be challenging for EFL students to do the writing tasks. However, there's a suggestion that can be implemented in teaching and learning activities regarding writing that can be advantageous by applying this approach. Collaborative learning is an approach where students can have a team to explore and solve the problem to create a result. Research has shown that this approach has an expected outcome to improve the students' knowledge and critical thinking. According to Kokale, 1995, a small group can be working to enhance the students' knowledge as the students are trained to barter and share their ideas throughout the team process of interaction, and they could find a solution from the tasks together. Apart from the research, the collaborative learning to learn and master the writing components is expected to assist the students in doing the writing activity to the collaborative writing. The collaborative writing results in findings that EFL students' writing skills are improved and better in producing writing. Moreover, the purpose of collaborative writing is to help students to improve and master the writing skills through intense collaborative work. And this is the part of where the collaborative writing has a research that shares the proofs that the collaborative writing can improve the writing performance of EFL students. Collaborative writing has an advantage to assemble persons in groups to do the work by sharing ideas and knowledge and assessing the writing work and peers' performance. Collaborative writing is pairing the different levels of English proficiency level in which among peers can transfer their knowledge to each other and obtain the transferred knowledge. A study shows that collaborative writing has a significant effect on EFL students to produce the writing works. This study was conducted for EFL students to measure their writing skills on a project group. The experiment results that the group has gained improvements in their writing, grammar, vocabulary, content, and organization as the writing components. The result shows the total mean scores for the experimental groups is high for pre-test and post-test, with 57.13 and 68.26. And after the collaborative writing approach that has worked on the experimental group, this result shows, and the result could be a benchmark for teachers to apply this approach in the learning process. Writing activity and collaborative learning can be integrated into one approach or of teaching to improve the EFL students' writing ability. And that's all about the work, about the presentation of work of my paper. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone.